Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to restore Snapchat Streaks new update. If you have accidentally lost a Snapchat streak, don't panic. It happens to the best of us. The good news is that Snapchat has a built-in feature to help you restore your streaks. Snapchat streaks are not just about sending and receiving snaps daily. They represent a connection, a commitment, and a fun way to stay in touch with friends. First of all, open Snapchat on your phone. Go to Chats. Open a profile of the person you want to recover your snap streak with. Click on that name of the person and check his or her username. Then go back and tap on your profile and go to Settings. Check your username, mobile number, and email. Now open the web browser on your phone. Then search Snapchat support on your web browser and click on the link. After that, tap on I lost my Snapchat streak. Then scroll it down and then tap on I lost my Snapchat streak. How do I restore it? Now scroll it and there are two options. Was this article helpful? Then tap on the X or cross button. Then there are four options. Choose the third option that this article isn't accurate or doesn't match what I see in Snapchat and submit it. Then scroll down and click on the recently viewed articles. I'm having trouble restoring my snap streak in the app. Then tap on the cross. Choose the first option. This article didn't answer my question or solve my problem. And then submit it. Then scroll down and click on this form. For Snapchat restoration request, fill out the respective form. Enter username, email, mobile number, device name, and friend's username. Tell me when did you start having this issue? Did you see the timer icon or not? After that, add some short descriptions like please return my streak. At the end, click on submit. That is how you can restore your Snapchat streak in a new update. Now go open Snapchat, go to chats and see the chat of that person. Open the camera and then send a snap. Your streak will appear after some time. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.